Okay, so for space cost, depreciation, allocated overheads, I have put them down. Allocated was already given to you. Then space cost based on the floor area, as we just discussed, I have it for these four. Then depreciation based on the cost, I have these four. Now I'm done with the allocation apportionment. The third thing was the reapportionment. Now when I talk about reapportionment, I need to basically break down the cost of the this overheads for canteen into the respective departments, maintenance into the respective departments. Now the question told us that canteen costs are to be shared amongst all the other departments on the basis of number of employees. Maintenance are being done on the basis of 70 stitching and 30 to cutting. Now for the canteen, what you will have to do is you will have to total this first, 18,000 plus 12,000 plus 20,000. So that comes out to be a total of 50,000. So for the entire 50,000, you need to apportion that cost amongst these three departments based on the number of employees. Now let's see the number of employees. The number of employees are 12, 9 and 4. Now keep in mind that you do not have to take the canteen department's number of employees, because all those costs need to be given to these three departments. So the number of employees that you need to take will be for these three departments only. So 12, 9 and 4. When you add it up, you get a total of 25. So how do you then apportion the cost? The total of 50,000. So 12 divided by 25 into 50,000, which comes out to be 24,000. Same thing for the second one. 9 divided by 25 into 50,000, which gives you 18. And the same thing for the third one. Same thing for the third one. So you took out 50 from here. The total of these 18, 12 and 20, took it out from here, gave it to all these based on the number of employees. Now the same thing for maintenance. Let's add all of them. 15,000 plus 12,000, 25 and 8. That's a total of 60,000. You take out 60,000 from here, you give it to these two on the basis of 70 to stitching, 70%, and 30% to cutting. So 70% of 60,000 and so once you get 18,000 and 42,000. So when you add all these, this will be 0, this will be 0. That is what reapportionment means. That take all the costs from here, the overheads, and give it to the respective department. Same thing for here, and at the end you will be only left with the total for the cutting and the stitching department, the total overheads for the cutting department and the total overheads for the stitching department. So that's how you would do an overhead analysis sheet. We'll look into a few more questions and a few more bases for it, and a few more different questions and the use for this in our later videos as well. Thank you very much.